Another one back from the dead. Look at that. Look at that little gear. See the little gear in the corner? It's moving. See it? So I'd like to remind all of you, this is for entertainment purposes only. Let's roll. So, today we got a Invicta Reserve. It's a Subaquanoma I. I'm going to try to do these in series. This is a pretty busy watch face, and when I used to wear it all the time, I would have to track the hands by the loom portions here. It's pretty scummy. Could stand to clean it first, but I just want to get the battery changed. Look at all those screws we got to do. Got a little mini screwdriver. I'm going to try to take those off that way. I don't know what kind of battery this thing would possibly take, but I think the face is kind of funny, kind of fun. One of those gears move when it's in commission, and I just think it has basically I would say it's kind of like a steampunky industrial revolution look to it. Has kind of an old world styling with that round watch face. Probably one of the more comfortable of my watches to wear during the day. I used to wear it on a daily basis at work, and I just kind of liked looking at it. It just kind of like seeing the gold and the mechanics, and it just kind of calmed me down a little bit during a busy day. I just kind of glance at it, see what time it is, and go, oh, that's pretty cool. Well, anyway, I'm gonna get cracking. I'm gonna get this face with this back off and see what we got under there. Not sure what's in there, but we will find out. We'll find out together. Second screw. Oop. This thing in my face. Okay. Okay. Gonna come out. Coming. There we go. I got a little magnetic pad up here to keep these screws and these fittings in. And all I can say is if I got a battery and I could put in tonight, I am stoked. Something tells me maybe not. We'll have to find out. Maybe I'll take a trip across town, guys. Put my mask on, go over to the pharmacy and see if we got a screw. All in the name of horology. Horology is the study of watches. Okay, guys? Alright. Another one. Okay. Oop, I missed the screw. Still got a screw to take out. There's that. It's coming loose. Looks like it's going to come up pretty easy. At least going to wipe it off. I don't want to get moisture all over it. At least going to wipe it off and get it kind of clean. They look great when you get them out of the packages, don't they, guys? And after a few weeks of wearing one. Alright. One more to get. Okay. The moment of truth. Come on, you. Okay, alright. I think we got that battery around here. Move this tool set over, making a bunch of stupid noise. So there it is. Look at that. Look at that. Even got a little bit of gold color in the battery clip. It's pretty slick. Okay, so I guess we pull that little clip over. That guy pops out. Is that it? Is that how we do it? We'll find out, won't we? Here's the rubberized piece. Invicta Watch Group 1606. I don't know what that means. Wipe that down. Kind of like this one. It has a Subaquanoma dragon. You got like little water splotches on the background. Got the rubberized piece here. See that goes in a certain way. Careful putting that back in. Look at all that stuff around there. Nasty. Might have to take. I don't know if I have to take this bezel out or not. I'll prod it a little bit and see what it wants to do. Just coming out. You want to go? Nope. I don't think it wants to come out. I think I'm gonna have to take this bezel out and I'll probably pop out this way. Okay, so I like my little tool here. This thing works pretty good. I don't know what it's for, but it works to pull the struts out, or whatever you want to call them. Okay, there's the ground pusher piece. Okay, this is coming out pretty easy. Not too easy, I hope. Yeah, look at that crud around there. I like to get in there with a toothbrush and just clean it up, but I can't. I don't want to do that. Ugh. Should probably order another little rubber grommet there. What is this now? Is this coming up? Okay, looks like the battery's going to come out this way. I'm going to touch that circuit board, that's for sure. Not covering your face up, am I? Alright, so I bubbled around with this thing off camera, and I think that thing is just like a clip. I think I can just go in there. Wish me luck, guys. I'm going to try to see if this thing pops out. I'm trying to work. I think it's on this side here. I tried to use a smaller screwdriver, and it just wouldn't go. Wouldn't allow me in there. I'm thinking maybe... There's no I can't see any mechanism that can move this, possibly move this. I don't think that's a switch of any kind. Maybe is this it? Does this go? Does it go out like this? Bizarre, guys. Maybe the battery just comes out. Oops, don't want to move that. Movement wants to take off on me. Nope, try that. Does it just simply come up? Nope. Oh, there it went. So what do we got? We got a, oh, I see how it is. It's like a little U shape. So it goes around this screw right here. Okay. Oh, darn it. Look at that. That's what I did. Should have just moved it out of the way. So, okay, I put it back in there then. Unless I busted it. Did I bust it? Maybe I busted a little piece of plastic. I broke it. See, now I know, because this thing here I could have just pushed in, pulled up. Nope, I didn't break anything. Looks good. Alright, well, let me get the battery. We'll get it running again. Back in a few. What kind of battery is it anyway? It is a Energizer 395, 399. Okay, 395, 399. Back in a minute. Alright, I'm back. Last one they had. Okay. So, I'm going to get this thing in here. Get this thing buttoned up, maybe clean possibly. Just got to get this thing done. Alright. So, open this up. Get this clasp back in too, huh? That was something else. Oh, there it is. There's the battery. Let's just try to hold it down. What do we got? Oh, not good. We got nothing. We got nothing, guys. I killed it. Oh, let me. Okay. Let me try with a clip on it. Try it with a clip on it. Maybe the clip matters. Maybe the clip has some kind of thing in it that's supposed to work differently. Okay, it's like that. See? Just be around that thing there. Okay. Let's see what we got now. Ah, yes. See, I got the clip in it. Tickage. 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 Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Okay. All right. It's getting late. Let me go ahead and get this done here. Like that. And there's the cover. Oh my god! So I probably could do cleaning that out real quick. Just give me a second. Be right. Just kind of wiped it out a little bit. I'm not gonna. I like to get in there. I would love to get in there and just like really get in there with a toothbrush or something. But you know, I'm not a watch. What do you call it? Watchmaker. Couldn't really do none of that. Couldn't do none of that at all. Seated in there. Yep, seated in there. Okay, so get that seal around there. See that? It's a little bit flat up there. I'd like to go online and see if I can buy some different rubberized gaskets to put on here. Get this thing in single-handedly, one by one. Probably need some tweezers for this job. Not in your way, am I? Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna try this. I'll try this. I'll try putting them in first, then putting this thing down. That could work. Wish me luck. It's like I could put it in like that. Ooh. That one fell into the watch itself. All right, now let's see if it works. Come on, guys. Work with me. Work with me. Oh, wait a minute. There it is. I think I got it. I think they're in. Let me try this first one. Try 12 o'clock. Okay. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Dude, it's going. Oh, it's going. Yeah. It's gonna seem kind of lame, but me and flat blade screws just don't get along. It's just this guy is done. I'm ticking away. I got that busy looking face. I'm gonna go ahead and set it now. So it's a screw down crown. So all right. So there we're done. So hey, you know what? Anybody's hating on you, they're hating on your watch, they're hating on your ride, they're hating on the way you struggle with a multiple screw watch back. You know what? Don't worry about the haters. Just let the haters worry about you. Alright? See you guys.